All right. We are in the playoffs. One in the chat. Do we take our W and advance on? Y'all see the new squad? We'll figure it out when we edit the video. Got Dickerson, Welker, Cheetah. Got Sean Taylor back there, Junior Seau. Who the new players are at? Who else is new? And whoever else is new that I ain't show before. All right, let's get it. Quick little game. I did play off stream about like a week ago and lost. Let's have some different results here. All right. Predictions. One to chat. Do we take this W first playoff game? Or two, do we go all sad? Playing the Niners? It's funny, we playing the Niners today. What the fuck? Let's go. Turn me up, nigga. Shout out all the subs and donos. Perfectionist. Hispanic _ Rico. Your favorite dark skin. No green. T-Right 200. Cheese is overrated. With the resub. Shout out to TJFL with a resub. TC Dame. Archer. 2 Blitz. Alright, let's go. Gotcha. Here comes the... Fuck you think you're going? That should have been a fumble, bro. Yo, I don't know if some of y'all are like slow in the head or something. The Patriots game is not out. It takes 5 seconds instead of typing in the chat to go look it up and see if it's out. And it's not out. All right. Actually, Mod, just let me know when it's out. That's how I know you're not trolling. Bro got CJ Stroud. Right, you're passing to the running back. I see that. Get down to the ground. Junior Seau. Pat's legend. Oh, he going for it. This dude's starving. This dude is starving.
But to send him off the field, to really add that extra tone setter by backing him up with a sack, that's the cherry on top of that 3 and out.
No, better down. Let's go! Let's go, dumbass! Nigga going for it on a goal line and shit.
I don't know what the punter did to hurt people's feelings, because I think the reasoning was pretty clear. They were going to go for it. There's not going to be a punter that touched the field. Not an advisable mindset now as they turn it over in their end of the field. Oh, he gets closer behind the line.
New Eric Dickerson.
Sometimes you hand that ball,
Let's just do this. Something simple.
and you send him right into the teeth of a buzzsaw. You can feel it from the jump, and that call from the defense
Something
came at the perfect time.
Come on, man. This dude is stream sniping. Let's do this. Yes, sir. Welker. Damn, do I go for this shit? We do. We go for those. We go for those. I know what I'm going to do, too. Bread and butter play. Yes, sir. LaDainian Tomlinson. I just scored a 6 like a touchdown. Let's go. Scoreboard. Just trying to get him to quit. Might be short. Nope. Got your ass. Got you. Oh, get him. Damn! Bro with a rage. And I'm strategically playing, by the way. I'm not cheesing. Of course. Come on, man. Not unnecessary, bro. Yo, fam, come on, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just go stick to the mid-blitz. Stick to the nickel formation, man. Bro, I don't think I won a playoff game since the game came out. Sit down, boy. Second quarter time. Oh my gosh, where the quarterback spy at? Where the quarterback spy at, man?
A 7-yard pickup and it moves the chains.
That's one of those occasions when you're sitting in the pocket and you're just looking for that escape valve. And then when you get it, you get space to run and you get a first down. That's a big bonus for the quarterback.
Here's Stroud on 1st and 10.
No, oh, I seen that shit.
Pass to his back.
Damn, dude doing cheap ass fucking plays, bro.
It's a gain of 12
I'm gonna
there.
pick one of them things
And it
off.
brings up a San Francisco first down.
That is what
Hey, we get the ball back next half, so I'm chilling. You just stop them here and hold a field goal.
Move the chains in one play and keep driving that defense backwards.
Get down to the ground.
Pressure nearly got to him.
There ain't no tuck rule, bro. That's a fumble.
That one falls incomplete. So after the incompletion, here comes the second down call.
End around. You want to pass it LT. I know that play. Damn. Fuck. Fucking Maserati Marv. Alright, but
And it's a touchdown.
that's... I need to disguise some of this mid-blitz shit. Switch it up. This nigga thinks he's nice. His team is too cheap to keep up, though.
That one right down the middle. And we're all knotted up. Coup all lined up and ready to boot this one away. His return starts at the 5.
Ooh!
And a good return
That was
here.
really a handoff.
Pass Good field position for the Patriots as they get set for 1st and 10. Throwing it to start this drive. He's got it, room to run.
What is with this weak blocking?
And he's going to get this up to the 45 before he's brought down.
Take it a 2-minute warning.
So it's the 2-minute warning here from the home of the faithful. The Patriots with the football. After a good pickup, they're set up with 2nd and short. Looking to the air here.
Come on, man! He wasn't even gonna draw him like that, bro. Nigga can just guard 2 players at the fucking same time, bro. I literally watched this nigga guard Vernon Davis, and then now he just automatically just teleported to Gronk. Forgot to tell y'all I got a new Gronk too. Obviously, you know that now.
When the Hall of Fame in the summer of 2023, really revolutionizing the position of the nickelback.
Look at this nigga running the same place. Watch over the middle.
And that takeaway we just
Throw it over the middle, bitch.
Gets this one to Harrison.
Keep running the same fucking plays.
Reaches that 45-yard line.
Fuck.
Even 10 yards on the play. And that's a 49er 1st down. Shotgun, they'll give it to him inside.
Right. Yo, shout out to Malik Neighbors. Amazing player. You're not trucking prime Sean Taylor. Are we being serious, bro? This is how we doing, Madden? This is what we doing? Trucking prime Sean Taylor?
Brown throwing here on 1st.
Right, I seen that.
Taken in by Harrison. And he's able to take
crazy.
this one down to the 25.
It's not just imperative that a quarterback knows man or zone. Same thing for a receiver, especially on a drag route. When he sees zone coverage like that, just settle down, find the soft spot, give your quarterback a chance.
And so, holy shit, Jalen fucking Ramsey, wake up, nigga. Jump the ball, deflected, something.
Nice gain of 13 yards as it brings up a 1st down. Working inside the red zone.
Yeah, where you going, bitch?
He's on the move.
Throw it away like ho.
And he's just going to get rid of this one. Smart move there. When he's on the field, it's going to be 2nd down.
He did exactly what he was supposed to do on that play. Felt the pressure and escapes the pocket. After that, it's on somebody downfield to get open and give him a target. No one did. And he simply has to get rid of it.
To the air yet again. It's Stroud.
And so, oh, you didn't even shop! Lawrence Taylor! That's not what I paid for! This fucking car's like a million fucking coins, bro! Nigga, that's a pick, bro.
Well, we all know that he's somebody they like to hang.
Yo, nigga, you not nice, I promise you that.
And there were so many ways.
Nigga, is that not a pick? Y'all see that shit, right? Seen him on the mic.
For these defenses.
Two all lined up and ready to put this one away. On the return, here's Tyreek Hill.
Oh, I should have cut to the left.
Down at the 26-yard line.
Need something. Can I do it? Can I do it?
Just over 30 seconds left in the half as they come to the line.
Yeah, bitch. Damn.
And the defense is all over this one for a big loss. Timeout taken by the Patriots. They're 1st and 3. They'll have 2 left to work with before halftime.
Well, he was supposed to be the one who chipped away a few and got a new set of downs started right in rhythm. Instead, he's now forced to pick himself from behind the line thanks to a great effort defensively.
And a nice game here, but it stopped short of the first. Now we're going to have a timeout by New England. It's second. And they still have one in their pocket for what's left of this half.
Now, that's a situation.
Hurry up and pick a fucking play. It's not the fucking Super Bowl, nigga.
Some chunky yards, but still some work to do to get
Shit.
that first down.
They're going to throw it on third and long. No
I should have broke that
hesitation
tackle,
on
bro.
Scott. And he'll get it out to the 34 before he's tracked down. Now the Patriots calling their third and final timeout. And that's all they've got for what little remains of this half. Offense staying out there. It's 4th and 1. Oh, they're going for this.
Nice.
He finds him beyond the marker.
Oh, we got timeouts. Hurry,
They
hurry,
catch
hurry.
up to him, but
Oh,
not
something,
until he's
something,
got a
something.
huge gain and a first down.
There we go. One play. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Back to throw now. Ooh, he got hit as he was throwing, and unsurprisingly,
We get the ball back anyway.
second down coming up.
Let's go, bro. Come out with a new game
That's
plan, bro.
halftime of this contest. We'll join
Same
both
old
teams
fucking
and take
bullshit,
a
bro.
short break. More
I just love how I got a matchup against like the top 100 players in the
Yo,
world.
Flight, you worse than I thought, bro.
Get your ass up, nigga. Keep running the same fucking plays, nigga. Cheap ass team,
You
nigga.
just suck, buddy.
The fuck
you
up,
just
nigga.
Suck, buddy.
Cheap ass team. Your name is
just
Money
suck.
Making Mitch, my nigga, with a cheap ass team, nigga. How the fuck that work, bitch?
Buddy, my team's beating yours. What
It
you
don't
mean?
matter, nigga. That team is cheap, nigga. And you capping your fucking
And I'm
gamer
winning,
tag.
buddy,
Your
and
name
I'm
is
winning.
Money
That just
fucking
speaks
Mitch
to
with a
you.
cheap
You
ass
ass,
fucking
buddy.
team.
You
Fuck
ass,
is you
buddy.
talking about, my
You're
nigga?
terrible. You're terrible.
Cheap ass fucking team, nigga.
All
You
right,
need some
keep
coins?
losing,
Do
buddy.
you need some
Keep
coins?
losing, buddy.
You need some coins?
Keep losing,
You need some
buddy.
coins?
Hey, keep
Do you
losing.
need some fucking
losing,
coins,
buddy.
my nigga?
Hey, keep losing.
Do you
buddy.
need some
Keep
fucking
losing.
coins? Nigga got a 75 overall team, nigga, 3 months into the game. What are we talking about?
They'll come out throwing. Looking right, and he finds it.
Bro, I should have had a first down off the angle, bro.
5 yards short of that first.
This nigga not gonna hear my plays. Bro, we gonna turn up now, bro. Nigga's name is Money Making Mitch with a cheap ass team. Bro, got a 75 overall team, bro.
It's 2nd and 5.
Nigga's about to be Halloween.
Taps it quick to the receiver coming across. And he's taken down after a short rush at about the 36. Give him 3 yards. That's going to bring up 3rd and 2.
Bro, you're saying he's cooking me. I'm losing by a touchdown, bro. We serious?
Largely be because of a play just like that one, softening up the front and opening the door.
Get off me, bitch.
And not much doing. He stopped.
We go for those. We go for those.
Game situations, it just puts a smile on my face because I can think
The RPO shit.
the NFL. Everybody on the field thinking the same thing. Can we go for it? Can we get one more shot as you end up just short on that 3rd down?
Bitch. Come on, bro. I'm about to fucking crash out, man.
You fucking suck. Holy shit.
Hey, how about you stop fucking stream sniping?
The yardage. It's a turn.
How you know I was running that play? Nothing to say? Still nothing to fucking say. Everybody got to cheat when they play me, though, huh?
Yo, it's 7-14, buddy, and I got the ball. Pipe down.
But that defense was having none of it. And now they get themselves off the field.
They'll run here on 1st down. And he gets this one down to the 30.
Run it down your fucking throat, baby, like you a prostitute.
The fuck up, bitch. The fuck did you just say, nigga?
Well, that doesn't
The fuck this weird ass nigga even just say?
that in the run game, you will take it in the NFL. All right.
They give it to him again. And that short
Hey,
game
one of
is
these niggas.
enough.
His sticker, bro. Fumble that.
I don't know about you, Kate, but he sure made getting that first down look really easy. A lot easier than it's supposed to be for that defense. And I think they'll hear about it when they get to the sidelines.
1st down, Stroud. Flush down the pocket. He takes it himself.
Oh my gosh. Boom! Fuck! Lucky ass bitch! So I'm talking about Sean Taylor.
You still want to talk, little guy?
You like that fucking hit, nigga? You got that wear and tear in
Still wanna
quarterback. Look at him
talk,
holding his
little
head, nigga. He don't even
Still
know where
wanna
he at.
talk? Ah.
Yeah,
okay,
nigga,
buddy.
run out of bounds.
Okay.
Keep running out of bounds.
Okay, little guy.
You like that hit?
Okay, little
You like
guy.
that hit stick,
All right,
bitch?
little
That's
boy.
a veteran time
All right,
hit
little
stick, bitch.
Buddy, I'm on the 2-yard line, first and goal. Your cheeks.
Nope. Sit down, nigga. Let's go.
Punch it in. And they've got him behind the line for a big loss.
This is one of those situations, Kate, where I watch the body language of the running back because it'd be very easy for him to raise his hands up, look to the sideline and his O-line and go, what am I supposed to do
Oh my
there?
gosh.
Oh, what's that? Is that another fucking touchdown in your forehead? Holy shit, you're dog shit.
Fuck up, nigga.
Yeah, I could tell you're depressed now. Yeah, go cry in a fucking
Nobody's
corner, little boy.
depressed. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. There's plenty of time left. You fucking dweeb. Nigga gotta go to school tomorrow, nigga. You gonna get your butts knocked out of your hand, bro? Who's gonna take your lunch tomorrow? Nothing.
Fuck you say, boy?
You heard what I said, nigga. This mic is loud and clear, nigga. Who taking your
Bro,
lunch
you
tomorrow on
fucking-
Monday,
You
bro?
almost 30 years old.
It don't
playing a
matter,
Madden
nigga,
game,
and you
talking
fucking
shit to a
getting
boy.
shoved in lockers in
That is
school,
hella
nigga.
funny, man. That is hella funny.
That is
man.
hella funny, man. That's hella funny. Get your bitch ass up, nigga.
Oh,
You a
wait,
dweeb.
wait your bitch ass out, boy.
You
Get
didn't
your
lay
ass
nothing
down
out,
on the
nigga.
floor.
That
Get
cheap
your
ass
ass
hit
down
stick.
on the floor. Oh my God, your booty. Holy shit.
Bro, you get no bitches, nigga. I can hear it in your voice. Nothing to say about that one, huh?
Fuck you say I didn't hear you, little boy.
Yeah, alright, nigga.
Uh-oh, nice pass, buddy.
You get real quiet though when I start speaking some real shit, huh?
Fuck you say? I ain't hear shit.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you did it.
Huh?
Second and 10 now. Dump off complete to his running back.
Weak ass play.
Brought down for a loss.
Kate, that's one of those situations as a quarterback that on my grade sheet, that's a negative. That screen was ambushed by the defense, and you've got to throw it away. Just find a way to put it at his feet and not create a
Nigga
negative.
name is
Wait,
Money
breathing in
Mitch.
your mic, you bitch.
Shut the fuck up, nigga. You wanna hear me talk so bad, nigga?
Shut the fuck up then. What the
Fuck up, bitch. You just told me to unmute my mic, you fucking weird ass
No,
bitch.
I didn't, you retard.
The fuck? Yes, the fuck you just did, nigga.
Escapes the pocket.
Quarterback spy next time.
Are you retarded? When the fuck did I say that?
Prevents a first down.
And now you're quiet. Alright, pipe down, buddy.
It's the Patriots.
Bro, you're a dweeb, my nigga. Stop talking to me.
That deficit in a hurry.
Okay, shut the fuck up then.
Bro, you're a fucking dweeb, nigga.
Why are you still talking? I told you to shut up.
You
Listen
shut
to your
the
daddy.
fuck up, nigga. You ain't gonna tell me to shut up, nigga. You mute me then, bitch.
Need a conversion here.
He said TOS? This game is so bad, bro.
I think every analytics book out there, Kate said, you got to go for it.
He did it. He did it. All right, good.
Down a couple scores here in the fourth, but now it's all about the defense. Can the defense
You got a 75 overall team, bro. Money making Mitch. You need some coins?
And I'm beating yo.
You need some
ass,
coins,
boy.
nigga?
Let's go. My team's fine.
Your mama
if
don't
I'm
give you your
beating
allowance in 2 weeks, huh?
I get paid on my own, boy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you do, nigga.
On first down, they'll
We're on the same shit.
And he's into the
Fucking
front
loser.
for a gain of about 2.
You know, they got some positive yards. That's a good thing. But too many plays like that, it just is too hard to pile together, get first downs against the better defenses in this league.
Back-to-back carries here. And he's short of the first.
You're not even a LaDainian Tomlinson fan, loser ass nigga.
4 yards on the pickup.
Yes, I am, boy. I just picked him up because I am.
Retard. You're about a month late. I've been had that car when it
You
dropped.
lucky
Get like
you
me,
funny,
bitch.
Man. You lucky you funny because you suck at Madden.
We've reached the 2-minute warning in Santa Clara. 49ers nearing a win here with a 14-point lead. All plays on the table here for 3rd and 3. Operating from the gun, it's Stroud. Complete beyond the marker.
Fucking loser,
Through
dog.
with a nice gain there. Gain of 10, first down.
That's what we call situational football. You spend
Hey, I'm gonna tuck you to bed, all right?
Fuck up, nigga. You playing the game for free.
take advantage of third downs just like that.
Out of the gun, they'll give it to him inside. And he has enough room to gain about
Get your
4.
weak ass off me.
Fuck up, nigga.
They'll come away happy getting that
Fuck
type of
up, dude.
output on
Shut the
most
fuck up,
run
bro.
Watch your mouth, bitch. You ain't black.
Some good push up front in this
Say that to me again. See what happens.
I just
boy.
did, bitch ass nigga. Do something.
Yeah, and I'm about to score on your forehead. Watch this.
Back to the well again. That play is brought to a halt. They're going to say at the 5-yard line. 9-yard pickup, and it sets him up with first and goal.
That's the type of call that offensively, man, it just builds so much confidence. I don't even think they were looking to get the first down. Just get to a manageable third down, but instead they move the chains. And that is one disheartening.
It's a fucking fumble. Like, damn.
Bring him to the turf. And the pressure drives them backwards.
You a bitch, nigga. You gonna get shoved in the lockers tomorrow. Hope you enjoy this win.
Peace out, boy. You suck.
Fuck up, nigga. Cheap ass team, nigga. You need some
And
coins?
I'm beating your ass.
You need some
That's
coins?
a diss to yourself, boy. That's a
Money
diss to
making
yourself.
Mitch. You got a
Spending all that money on
75
this
overall
game and
team,
you're
nigga.
still
It's the
losing.
third month of the game, bro.
Spending all this money on
Work
your game,
harder,
you're
bitch.
still losing.
Work harder, bitch ass nigga.
Nah, I just ain't spun.
Fucking shitty ass fucking game, bro. I'm not playing this shit, bro. Fuck all you EA devs, bro. You fucking chess club playing bitch ass niggas making this shit, bro. It's like my team's more expensive, bro. I shouldn't be struggling against this fucking dweeb, bro. Fucking bitch ass fucking game, bro. Fuck. Gosh, bro. Let's just check out my favorite team. Hopefully they can make me feel better, bro. It's just annoying as hell. I worked so damn hard to get to the playoffs, only for me to fire up a fucking stream and lose, dude. Like, it's just getting annoying. Like, I don't know what the fucking algorithm is, but it's like, I don't know, bro. They always match me with top 100 ranked players for no reason. Like, nigga, off the cameras yesterday, I cannot make this up, bro. I'm winning 4 straight games on Madden, bro. Like, going crazy.